farming, it means automatically you're not in Nigeria, right? You have no legal right to be in Nigeria. So they are stakeholders as well. When you say stakeholder, what it means is that NIN enables them to do their job easier. Imagine if police have access to the database of people everywhere around. I mean, some of these pursuing of things they are pursuing, even via your pursuing motor to gutter, they don't need to do that. Once they pick your plate number, they know where to get you, they know to wait for you. Do you understand? Abroad, if you read traffic light, nobody will chase you. Camera is taking the picture of your plate number. You stay at your house, they will mail it to you, they will not bring it by hand. They will send your bill, your fine. They will send you, put your name and say, if you like, don't pay. So basically, those are those things, alright? Ministry of Defense, Immigration, Road Safety, Prison, Police Force, alright? Then state agencies too, they are stakeholders. So we're talking about stakeholders at the state level. Take for example, Kogi State Hajj Commission. It's a state agency now, right? Or Kogi State Ministry of Agriculture. It's a state agency. They may be involved. They may say, okay, we want to know all the farmers in Kogi State so that we can apportion fertilizer or farm implements. They are stakeholders. Okay? So, or Hajj Commission. You want to know everybody. You know, there's something they do in my state. I'm sorry to say. There are slots for going to Jerusalem. Somebody will take it and go and sell it. Or take it and go and give to their relatives. Some people are going 2 times, 3 times, when others are not gone. So state agencies too are stakeholders in this. It enables them to deliver their services in an effective manner. Then, when we finish from there, even local governments too. You know, local governments are created by law to do their own things autonomously, right? So if local government can even decide that they have enough money to even send their traditional chiefs abroad or do their own healthcare. Primary healthcare is a function of local government. Alright? So they are all stakeholders. Alright. Now, from there we talk about private sector. You know, I said private sector before. They are stakeholders. If NCC is involved, that means all the telcos are involved. If PECOM is involved, that means all the PFAs are involved. Do you understand? Yes. Right? So they are stakeholders. If BVN is involved, that means all the banks, the commercial institutions, they are involved. So that's where everybody is interconnected. So that gives you an idea of what ecosystem is. So if somebody tells you to define ecosystem, first of all, how do you define the word ecosystem? You break it down. You say eco, you say system. What is a system? A system is where 2 or more units function together to achieve one purpose. That's why I say computer system. Computer system, you know, before in those days when they teach us computer, there's that big one that's television, that has one back. There's the one that has typewriter. There's one that is mouse. Then there's one big one that they call that table. That big one, the CPU. They all function together and they call it computer system. So a system is basically any interrelation or any interconnection of various independent units that function together. It's a system. Then when they say eco, ECO, that's a biological term. When they say ecosystem, eco basically is from the word eco we have ecology or ecological. Okay? It's talking about life generally. Talking about life generally. And when you break that word basically means everything in the human sphere that supports life. We're talking about the atmosphere now. We're talking about the biosphere and the planisphere. We're talking about the food chain. We're talking about oxygen. We're talking about the soil. We're talking about the climate. Right? That's what eco or ecosystem means in the biological term. So when you bring ecosystem to digital identification, you are only saying that the cooperation, the harmonization, right? The coming together, the common yoking of everybody that has one role or another to play to ensure that there's digital identity in Nigeria. Or you're basically saying the coming together of every one person or 2 persons who stand to gain something or stands to lose something if ecosystem is not done, or stands to gain something if ecosystem is done, if digital identity is actualized, and stands to lose something if digital identity is not actualized. It's as simple as that. Alright? Mm-hmm. So if somebody asks you to define ecosystem, can you do that? Let's just assume that the exam is going to be subjective. They'll be asking you to define and all of that. Mm-hmm. So how do you define ecosystem? In your own words, don't cram. In your own words, the more you are able to associate the knowledge, you are able to give it your own terminologies, explain it in your own way, it pours out more out of you. But once you cram, you are putting a lid, you are putting a cap on what you already know. you are limiting yourself to only that thing you have crammed. And sometimes you can